In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube videos public. So in one way or another, if your videos can't be found on YouTube and you are sure that you have been publishing, then one of the reasons might be that your videos are set to private or they are unlisted, and that's why they can't be found. So by default, if your videos are set to private or unlisted, then they won't be available to the public, and therefore that's why you can't see them. So let me show you how you can go ahead and change these settings and make your YouTube videos searchable and public on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio, and I'll do this by clicking on my profile icon here and then click on YouTube studio. And once you land on your YouTube studio, head over to settings here. Once you click on settings, we have quite a number of options. Choose upload defaults. Under upload defaults, select basic info and then scroll down until you see visibility option. Currently you can see this channel is set to private, and that's why the videos on this channel are not available to the public or they can't be found on YouTube. So if you click on this, you can go ahead and change these to public. So if they were under unlisted or private, go ahead and change this and choose public. Once you have chosen this, go ahead and click on save. Now once you do this, now your videos will be able to be crawled by YouTube search engines and then list them and make them available for anyone who is searching them. So that's how you can make your videos public or searchable on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.